I think I see it.
I got it inside when it matters.
Yeah. Uniforms gets the field in sight when it matters.
Number 2 uniform, next 5 approach cleared short aid, descend to maintain 3000.
Maintain 3000 uniform.
There's runway 36. There's the 10 right. I got it.
Yep. Want to go?
Check.
Visual 10 right, 19.15, and see you later, to uniform.
Number 2A1 Mike Kilo, Minneapolis approach.
Flying Cloud Tower, citation 2 uniforms with you for the visual 10 right.
Station 2 uniform, Flying Cloud Tower, right base, runway 10 right, and continue.
Continue with the right base for 10 right, to uniform.
You got that guy.
Cessna 59, runway 36, line up and wait.
Runway 36, line up and wait, 959 Golf Tango.
70 November, turn left on Bravo, contact ground.
Turn left on Bravo, contact ground, 70 November.
Helicopter 320, say altitude?
1,600, and we are coming back in for the back area, 320.
Helicopter 320, roger, main south of runway 10 right and west of runway 36, helicopter practice area cleared to land traffic. 2 miles south of your position, northbound at 2,700, descending as a citation.
Looks like he's going to
pass
remain
south of the parallel, west of 36, clear land on the practice area, I've got the traffic in sight, 320.
Cessna Golf Tango, make right, close traffic, runway 36, clear for takeoff.
Speed check selected.
Right, close traffic, runway 36, 959 Golf Tango.
Station 2 uniform, traffic ahead and to your left has you inside of the helicopter, 1,600.
Uniform's looking for the traffic.
Get that lights on.
Selected.
I got him.
You got him? Yep. Uniform's got the traffic.
Station 2 uniform, roger.
Okay, we got 3 green, no red. All the net landing flaps.
Checks.
Station 2 uniform, runway 10 right, clear to land.
10 right, clear to land, uniform.
Wind check.
Wind 3508. It's a variable out of the north. Now it's 010 at 8.
Clear on the right.
You got it. Full flaps when you get a chance.
Selected. Ups indicate full, 4-lane checklist complete.
Looks like we're on the Vazzy.
Flying Cloud Tower, Archer 4370 November, holding short runway 36, ready for takeoff.
Archer 4370 November, Flying Cloud Tower, runway 36, line up and wait. Traffic on a mile final for runway 10 right citation.
Runway 36, line up and wait, 4370 November.
Station 2 uniform, no need to respond. Traffic, holding position, runway 36, Archer. Wind 3507. Cessna 9 Golf Tango, continue, runway 36, traffic holding in position, Archer.
Can you repeat that? 9.9 Golf Tango.
Cessna 959 Golf Tango, just letting you know, continue for runway 36, traffic is holding in position in Archer.
Okay, continue runway 36, 9.9 Golf Tango.
Extended.
Cessna 959 Golf Tango, on your base you may see a helicopter off your west of you about 2 miles. They'll be landing west of your runway.
Landing west of the runway, 9.9 Golf Tango.
We'll keep an eye out for that traffic.
Station 2 uniform, say parking.
Elliott for uniform.
Station 2 uniform, turn left at Echo and contact ground point 7, they'll get you down there.
Left at Echo, 0.7 to uniform.
Pick up on 72 Delta, cross runway 10 right on Delta, runway 36 taxi via Delta. Cross 10 right on Delta and taxi to 36 on Delta, 972 Delta, thanks.
Citation to uniforms on Echo going to Elliott.
Citation to uniform, flying cloud to go around. Right turn on to runway 10 left and hold short of runway 36.
Right on 10 left, hold short 36 for uniform.